Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with foodforestabundance.com, and I just flew out to Orlando this morning to help my partner Jim with this huge food forest install in Orlando, and I'm about to turn the camera around so you can see what we're doing so far. And we got a lot done today so far, but a big job and a lot more to do, but here's some progress. Turning the camera around so you can check it out. Let me zoom in there. That's a banana circle. If you can see all the banana trees planted. We got moringa right here. And I think this one's an apple. I don't know all of them, but yeah, we got everything planted here. And then we got some lemongrass here. Coming up, we're gonna have a path, a mulch path that's gonna go all the way around the outside of the property. And we got another banana circle here that Ian's finishing up. I just dug all the holes for him. I probably dug 30 holes today, and I got probably 10-15 more to do. But I'm gonna get on this tree right there. That's gonna be in the ground in a minute. And there's Jim getting some mulch to throw on this walking path, and it's starting to come together real nice. I'm gonna turn the camera around again, and well, we design and install edible landscapes anywhere in the United States. So if you're looking to turn your lawn into a food producing edible landscape, give us a shout at foodforestabundance.com. Back with more updates soon. Take it easy. Wow, this sun's hot down here. It was 23 degrees when I left Minnesota this morning, and it's 85 here and sunny as hell and hot. And we'll check you out. See you later.